the angle corresponding to VWA. Well, here's VWA. So corresponding is this angle here, which is angle QXW. QXW. Question B, the angle alternate to QXW. Well, hang on a second. The angle alternate to QXW. Where is QXW? It's here. That's QXW. And we need an alternate angle. That's a Zangle angle. That's this one. And what's the name of that angle? PWX. PWX. Question C. Question C says co-interior with PWX. So here's PWX, that angle, and the co-interior one will be that guy there. His name is WXS. WXS. Question D. Supplementary with AWX. AWX is this angle here. So AWX, well, there's two possible supplementary angles. There is this one, because that adds up to 180, or there's this one, because that adds up to 180. So that first angle, that's supplementary with AWX, will be, the green one is PWX. Should have made that green actually. PWX. Or the red one, which is AWV. Question E. Alternate to SXW. Now I can't rub things out. I don't know why. I'm going to stop there and hopefully that's okay.